Hello, everyone. I'm Tanita Bailey, and I just wanted to announce that we have officially launched Capital City Construction. Now, you say, what is Capital City Construction and what is she doing now? Well, let me tell you about it. I'm so excited because now not only can we fund your dreams, but we can also build your dreams, right? So, if you are interested in having your fireplace redone, okay, if you're interested in having your patio redone, if you're interested in having your kitchen or your bathroom remodel, then you can feel free to give us a call. Now, why would I call you? I'm saying what you would say. Why would I call you, Miss Bailey? Well, the reason you would call me is because we offer no hassle, no documentation, home improvement, home repair loans. You say, well, man, how can I get one of those? Well, anybody can. You do have to qualify with your credit. However, it's easy breezy. You'll know in 1 to 2 minutes whether you're approved or not. So don't hesitate to give me a call. If you're interested in doing some home repair, now the property does need to be your home, your primary residence, or an investment property that you can prove that you own, and you can get anywhere from 5,000, 55,000, 65,000, up to $100,000 for your home renovation project. So don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm standing by. I'm waiting to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.